To unclog a toilet without using a plunger. There are 4 practical methods to consider. The first method involves using baking soda and vinegar. 1 cup of baking soda followed by 2 cups of vinegar creates a fizzy reaction that cuts through the clog. Another approach is to use hot water, but not boiling water, as this can damage the porcelain. If the toilet is filled to the brim, scoop out some water first. Then pour in a gallon of hot water. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. And flush. A third option is to use dish soap. Pour a cup of liquid dish soap into the toilet and let it soak before flushing out the blockage. The fourth method involves using a toilet brush. But with a twist, wrap a plastic bag around the brush before inserting it into the toilet. Then move it up and down to create a suction effect that removes the blockage. By following these steps, it is possible to unclog a toilet without needing a plunger.